Hi everyone, whether you're on Twitter or joining me on my YouTube channel. As you can see, I already got started packing. I'm going to be in Valencia from the 15th to the 23rd. Now, I'm going to be first at SecurityCon and then at KubeCon. At SecurityCon, Rory and I are going to give a hands-on workshop on getting started with full lifecycle security and related tools. Join us on the 17th at 1:15 at SecurityCon for a hands-on fun workshop. Now, a few days later, on the 20th, we're going to give a talk at KubeCon on security standards. On the 20th at 2 p.m. at KubeCon. Join us for an amazing talk. Now, I'm also going to be around the Aqua Security booth, both in person and virtual. I'm going to give some tutorials, some presentations on getting started with our open source security scanning tools. Join us at the booth. Come say hi if you see the booth. If you see me around the conference, wandering around, trying to figure things out, trying to find the next exciting talk that I must see, come say hi, introduce yourself. I would love to meet as many people as possible. Now, I'm also going to bring my camera, my recording equipment, so I might do some spontaneous live streams. If you're curious about that, subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date. Now, I'm not going to vlog the conference itself out of respect for other attendees. However, I'm going to try to get as much footage as possible of the conference, since it's going to be my first big in-person conference in this amazing space. So come say hi if you see me around. Until then, have an amazing week. Hope to see you around. Bye-bye.